This video is intended to provide a basic understanding of the Rapid Wash waste cart cleaning system. It must be used in conjunction with the Rapid Wash Owner's Manual and the Chassis Manufacturer's Owner's Manual. The Rapid Wash waste cart cleaning truck requires preparation before proceeding with the day's route. All basic systems should be inspected. Check tire pressure and hydraulic fluid levels. Be sure to check engine oil, fuel level, and any other inspections recommended by the chassis manufacturer. Inspect hydraulic hoses around the tipper for excess wear and leakage. Inspect wash bay for cleanliness and be sure filter baskets are installed. Check that spray heads rotate freely. Check that all vehicle lights are operating properly. Be sure that the 4 rear drains and the side sump drain are fully closed. Fill the water tank with fresh or recycled water from a known source. The 850-gallon tank may take from 30 to 80 minutes to fill, depending on hose diameter and available water pressure. Drive to the first stop on the day's route using the left side driver's compartment. Pull up with tippers adjacent to carts about 5 feet out from the cart. Place truck in neutral, apply emergency brake, and turn on strobe lights and flashers. Walk around front of truck. Open the folding driver's compartment door and securely latch. Engage PTO switch. Flip right hand steering switch. Mount carts to tippers. Depending on the size of the cart, it may be necessary to slightly lift the cart to the tipper. As you mount the carts, open the lids to ensure carts are empty. Flip the mode switch to the left position. This allows the spray heads to activate automatically when carts are in proper placement. Push the tipper levers away from you to raise the carts into the wash bay. The spray heads will activate and begin cleaning the carts. It is up to the judgment of the operator to determine how long to leave the carts in the wash position. When cycle is complete, flip the mode switch to the center off position. Allow carts to remain in position and drain for 5 to 10 seconds. Pull levers towards you to lower carts to street level. Remove carts from tipper and replace it curbside. Disengage PTO switch and flip the parking brake driver selector switch located on the A-pillar above and to the right of the driver. Engage safety strap and proceed to the next stop. A high-pressure hose is mounted on a retractable reel just below the tipper levers. Use the hose to wash the exterior of the waste cart as necessary. To operate, pull hose out a sufficient distance from the reel. Simply squeeze trigger and aim spray gun at areas to be cleaned. Only use the hose on carts elevated above the wash bay. Never wash carts at curbside, as this would allow contaminated water to escape the system. When finished, gently pull on hose to engage retraction. Continue cleaning carts as normal and replace at curbside. The average time elapsed per stop is 1.5 to 3 minutes, depending upon cleanliness of carts to be cleaned. Here is an unedited example of a complete wash cycle in real time. This gives a very clear illustration of just how simple the rapid wash truck is to operate. At the end of the day's route, switch back to the conventional left side operation for drive back to the yard. Disengage the PTO, set the parking brake, flip the driver's side selector switch, and release the parking brake drive selector switch. Close folding door and securely latch. Proper cleaning and maintenance will ensure years of trouble-free service. It is important that the truck be properly serviced after every use. Manually remove any accumulated large debris from wash bay. Flip the mode switch to the right hose only position. Use the high pressure hose to clean out wash bay, pushing remaining debris into the filter baskets. To access the filter basket doors, fully raise the tippers. To prevent accidental lowering of tippers during maintenance, switch off PTO. Open access doors and remove baskets, being very careful not to allow debris to fall through the basket openings and into the sump area. Empty filter baskets, clean as necessary and set aside. Close the filter basket access doors. Re-engage PTO and fully lower tippers. Attach drain hose to sump drain located below wash bay compartment. Open drain valve. Be sure to drain tank in an appropriate manner. Use pressure washer to force any sediment in sub-tank down through the drain. Remove drain hose. Engage PTO and raise tippers. Disengage PTO for safety and replace filter baskets. Engage PTO, lower tippers, disengage PTO, and switch off engine. Attach hoses to the rear drain valves and drain the 4 water tank chambers. When draining is complete, use a fresh water hose to rinse the tanks, allowing the rinsed water to escape through the drain valves. Remove the hoses and close the drain valves. Park the truck in a secure location.